2017 was a great year for the brand, and the future is very exciting. But let's focus on what Kia will bring to the Canadian market in 2018. On my left is the all-new Niro plug-in hybrid. This plug-in hybrid version of the Niro is packed with the same fantastic styling and functionality and drivability of the hybrid version, but adds almost 45 kilometers of all-electric range. Now, this added pure electric range has several things for the consumer. First, it extends the overall estimated range to more than 900 kilometers on a single tank. Secondly, it gives the average driver enough gas-free range for most of their driving requirements. Trip to the store, to hockey practice, to work, and all of that in EV mode. And third, it qualifies for consumers for some fantastic government rebates that should really drive Canadians to consider this electric option in their next purchase. But let's face it, cars are much more than a rational, calculated purchase. A car has to make us feel good about owning it. It needs to be cool, it needs to be comfortable, and it needs to be fun. Well, luckily, the all-new Niro hybrid, plug-in hybrid, satisfies on all accounts, delivering a fun and engaging drive with 139 horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. It's smart, environmentally friendly, and of course it's fun. And it will be available in dealerships later this fall. And now, for a fresh look at a vehicle that Canadians have really grown to love over the last decade for being a high-quality, dependable, and capable SUV, perfect for family adventures. Today, this vehicle will get its Canadian debut as a refined, more sophisticated mid-size SUV. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2019 Kia Sorento. We've just launched our brand new Kia Sorento, product enhancement for 2019. Let me tell you, this vehicle is packed with features that I think every consumer is going to enjoy. Most importantly, it's going to come with our UVO intelligence system. The UVO intelligence system is a telematics system that allows consumers to connect to their vehicle and really be able to understand, start the car. They'll be able to warm the car up, turn the temperature higher or lower. They'll be able to find their car if it's lost. Most importantly, from a safety standpoint, should you see the engine light come on, you'll be able to do a diagnostics on this vehicle and send it to the dealership, where the dealership can send back feedback instantly and let you know whether you should continue to drive to the nearest dealership, or whether you should get roadside service to come because it could be a safety issue. We have a number of other safety elements in this vehicle, airbag systems everywhere throughout the vehicle. You can find this vehicle in 7-passenger seating, my apologies. It's a very, very safe and very, very efficient vehicle from a fuel standpoint, and has new drive shift modes which automatically adjust to driving habits. So as we talked about, a new ergonomic setup in the interior allows consumers to easily reach and adjust the temperature. Our new navigation screen is much bigger and bolder, it allows for greater visibility, and that's how we connect to our UVO intelligence system. As well, the steering wheel's been adjusted for easier grip and more solid feel, and our new shift center console is also easier from an ergonomic standpoint for consumers to operate. It's been redesigned with raised stitching to provide a nice sporty appeal and look, and we also have our Harman Kardon radio system, which for those that enjoy music will really get a kick out of the sound that we get out of this vehicle. And for people who like to sit up in traffic, while this vehicle is raised, we also have an adjustable seat, allowing for the consumer to raise the seat, lower the seat, put it back, put it forward, many different ways in which you can find comfort in this vehicle. Another thing I'd like to point out very quickly, in the front of the vehicle. When we talk about new technologies, we also talk about safety. At night, LED technology has been something that's been adapted by many OEMs. As you can see, we have LED bands, provide the daytime running light system, as well as cube LEDs on the front for the main lights, and then our iconic cube fog lamps for consumers that like that little extra visibility. So I'd ask you to go check it out, give it a test drive. I think you'll really enjoy the new Kia Sorento.